Complete. Next type, construction of a tangent to a circle at a point on the circle. There are two types are there, using the center of the circle and without using the center of the circle. First type, using the center of the circle. Tangent means the line which touches the circle in only one point. Means circle and line have one point common. It is called as the tangent. So figure, first draw the any radius, draw the circle. Give the name center O. From this O point, draw here any ray. So that ray intersect the circle in point P. We draw the tangent at the point P. Then to the compass on P, one bracket on the center side and same distance, one bracket in this side. From P, one bracket on the center, against compass on P, one bracket on this side. Then compass on one arc, on bracket this, take the distance more than half. One bracket on the upper side, one bracket on the lower side. From the second bracket, intersect it. Then draw the line between that two brackets. Then this is the tangent line at the point P at the center with O. This is the tangent line. This is using the center. Second type, without using the center of the circle. Without using the center of the circle, first draw any circle. Not give the name to center because without using. Then take any P point on the circle at any. Take Q and R anywhere. Join PQ, QR and PR. All approximation. P point anywhere. Q take here, R take here. Draw this triangle PQR. Then we take the congruent angle at Q and P. We take the construction 2 and 4 in 4.1. We make that construction. So compass on Q first. Make the arc here, intersect. Same compass on P, make the arc. Same, first Q, make the arc here. Then compass on P, make the arc. Then distance in compass, these two intersection point. This P, RQ and PQ, these 2 points are there. So compass distance, this, then compass on this point, intersection. And make the arc that intersect this arc. And then this point of intersection P, draw the line. This is the tangent line at the P. This is using the center and this is the without using the center of the circle. That is both are the tangent line. Next construction, to construct tangents. Tangents mean two. To a circle from a point outside a circle. This is first construction. Point P lies on the circle. This is point outside the circle. Example, draw a circle of radius 2.5 cm with center O and take point P at a distance of 6 cm from O. Draw tangents to a circle from P. First draw a circle of radius 2.5 cm. So draw a circle of radius 2.5 cm. Give the here point O, that is the center O. From this O, draw a line here, means ray. Not given point P here because P is point outside the circle. Distance is 6 cm. So take the compass distance 6 cm, compass at O and make here arc. Give that point P. Distance of from O to P is 6 cm from O to P. Then from this P we have to draw two tangents to the circle. So draw the perpendicular bisector of OP. That construction in 9th standard. That is midpoint of OP we get. Compass on O. Make the distance more than half of OP. One bracket on the upper side, one bracket on the lower side. From P, intersect it. That is 2 brackets. From that 2 brackets, draw the line. That is not intersect the circle. Means that is not touch the circle. This is point M here. It divides OP into 2 equal parts. Measure that. It is 3 cm and this is the 3 centimeter. So this is the draw the perpendicular bisector of OP. Then compass on M, distance up to O. Compass on M, distance up to O, and make the arc that will intersect the circle in 2 points. Give the 1 point Q and 1 point R here. Compass on M, distance up to O, and make the arc here from M, this point Q and R. Then from P, make the one line P and Q. This is the first tangent from point P to the circle, and second from P to the R. This is the second tangent. This is the 2 tangents from the point P to the circle. Compass on M, distance up to O, make the arc that intersect Q and R. Then from the P, make the PQ and make the line PR. This is the 2 tangent from the point P. This is the construction of tangent from outside the point